Stop feeling overwhelmed by coding. Here's how to become a software engineer in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Learn the basics. Grab some beginner-friendly resources like free online courses or coding games. Understand the fundamentals of programming languages like Python or Java. Step 2. Practice makes perfect. Write code every day, even if it's just a little. Build small projects to apply what you've learned. Step 3. Join a community. Find online forums, local meetups, or social media groups for aspiring engineers. Share knowledge, ask questions, and grow together. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Showcase your projects on platforms like GitHub. This is your chance to shine and show potential employers what you can do. Step 5. Never stop learning. Technology evolves, and so should you. Keep up with new trends, tools, and languages. And there you have it. Follow these 5 steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a software engineer. Happy coding!
Zesourz, the source of everything.